Hello, welcome to this session for grade 7. This is an exercise of probability, compound events. So open the book, please, at the page 93. Open the book at the page 93. So we have this is additional practice, okay? So number 3 is required. This is the objective of this session, compound events. So a fair coin with sides printed heads and tails is flipped and a golf ball is randomly selected from a bucket that contains 2 yellow and 5 white golf balls. Okay, so A, develop a complete probability model to describe all the possible outcomes in the sample space. So how to describe this? Usually in probability you need to describe this by diagram. Okay, so we have a fair coin with sides printed heads and tails. So this is very important. So we have to represent this head, and this is head and tails. Okay, this is how to represent problem in probability. Now is flipped and a golf ball is randomly selected from a bucket that contains 2 yellow and 5 white golf balls. So we have 2 yellow and 5 white. So I represent like this: 2 yellow, that means yellow 1, yellow 2. And we have also 5 white, that means white number 1, white number 2, white number 3, white number 4, and white number 5. Okay, so this is my diagram like this. This is the fair coin, heads and tails, 2 chains, and we have 5 golf balls, which of them 2 yellow and 5 whites. Okay, now what is the question here? A, develop a complete probability model to describe all the possible outcomes in the sample space. So how to develop this, or how to make a set. Okay, so I begin. This is S. I can make this is a set equals. That means all chains. Okay, so maybe it begin by heads, Y, yellow 1. Okay, this is the first. Next, maybe heads and Y2. Okay, like expand. Okay, so this is move to this, then move to this. If you finished, you move for tails, it will be here with this and with this. Okay, and when you complete with yellow, we move to white. This here, chair H to Y2, the W2, then W4, okay, etc. Then you move to T, W1, W2. Okay, so I complete H, Y2, then I finished H with yellow, now T with yellow, so TY1. After that TY2, finished with T. Now I will play with W. Okay, W, I begin by H, HW1, HW2, HW3, HW4, HW5. This is for H and W. Now for T. Now TW1, W1, this is T, W1, T, W2, TW3, TW4, then TW5, and I close my set. Okay, this is, what does it mean, this set? That means all possible chains. Okay, this is all possible chains, and this is the diagram. Okay, So this is question number 1 finished. Now we move to question B. What is the probability that the coin lands tails up and a white golf ball selected? So he want here the coin lands tails up, so he want probability that has tails and what? And a white golf. He want white golf and white golf. Okay. That means in the same time. At the same time, he want tail and white at the same time. So this is multiplication. So it will be probability of tail times the probability of white, or probability of tail. We have two chances, tails or head. So 1 over 2, because two chances. So 1 over 2 times, and probability of white, we have 5 white and 2 yellow golf balls. So we have 7 in all. So it will be number of 5. A number of white balls is 5. So 5 over the total is 7. Just I multiply now. 5 times 1 is 5. 2 times 7 is 14. This is the result. Okay? So do not forget to revise this exercise. This is very important. And do not forget the worksheet in the site Pearson Realize. Thanks for watching. This is very important. Also number 4. Okay? This is just do it and use this diagram. Okay? Okay, thanks a lot and goodbye.